Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share a real and practical strategy on how you can gain 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days on YouTube. This is not fake, not clickbait, but yes, it requires smart work and consistency. First, let me clear one big myth. YouTube Shorts do not count toward watch hours. So if you want monetization, you must focus on long-form videos and live streaming. Step 1. Create long videos. Make videos that are 20 to 40 minutes long. Choose topics people actually want to watch, such as motivational or real-life stories, podcast or interviews, match analysis or commentary, educational or how-to content, trending topics with full explanation. Longer videos equals more watch time. Step 2. Go live most powerful method. Live streaming is the fastest way to gain watch hours. If you go live 1 to 2 hours daily, 1,000 viewers times 30 minutes equals 500 watch hours per day. In 7 days equals 3,500 plus watch hours. Talk to your audience, read comments, answer questions, and keep people engaged. Step 3. Use your old videos. Don't ignore your old content. Create playlists, AD end screens, linking to other videos. Pin a comment with the next video link. This increases automatic watch time without extra effort. Step 4. Increase CTR and audience retention. Use simple but powerful thumbnails. Write curiosity-based titles. Hook viewers in the first 30 seconds. Example, hook. Watch this video till the end, because I'll share a trick that 90% of YouTubers don't know. Step 5. Smart promotion. No spam. Share your videos on Facebook groups, WhatsApp status, Telegram channels, Instagram stories. Always share with value, not spam. Final truth. Getting 4,000 watch hours is not about shortcuts or tricks. It's about consistent uploads, live streaming, and smart strategy. If you stay focused for 7 days, monetization is absolutely possible. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. I will complete 4,000 watch hours.